March is Enviro Month, and as part of New Acton's celebrations, they're also turning the spotlight on another of our great assets, youth. In collaboration with National Youth Week and Earth Hour, New Acton are promoting youth and a cleaner environment.
Love! Woo! Love! Welcome everyone to the Youth Week Expo.
That's my involvement.
You're very lucky because we have a plethora of carny games, lucky dip barrels, custom badge making, roving camera crews, clothes swaps, swing lessons, drumming workshops, guitar lessons. This is all for free.
I encourage everyone to get amongst the stalls. There's heaps of great activities, lots of great information, flyers and freebies.
Be Green Bean, keep Australia clean. That's a good one. This is one of the entries for our Enviro Month t-shirt competition with National Youth Week. So we've got a few entries around here. We've got, what have we got? We've got the Earth is our future and a whole heap of different ones.
It's pretty good, isn't it? I always hang clothes. Nasa Agapi don't I hang clothes?
It's all about promoting Enviro Month, which we're holding here at New Acton, which is showcasing a whole heap of different local talent. Like, oh, here we go, look around, hit the corner, we've got a special man here. It's the butt cleaner!
My name's Bruce, and I'm the official butt cleaner, you see. And every day of the year I have a very important duty, and that's to clean up all of these butts.
Clean up your ACTon. Turn off the light just tonight. Clean up your ACTon.
They're all non-smokers by the looks of it.
Thousands of cigarette butts, among other kinds of widows in the sea. Thanks to
This is the winner of the competition. Turn off the light just tonight. We've got World Earth Hour tonight from 8:30 p.m. till 9:30 p.m. But hopefully it sends a message that people should be very conscious of their energy use and turn off their lights all the time.
So that doesn't say turn off your lights all the time. It just says
No,
just
it says
tonight.
just tonight. But then if you look at it every time you wear it.
I'm trying to encourage people to not throw litter on the ground and also just think responsibly about a whole range of certain issues. So we're doing a whole lot of things down here. For instance, we're using tank water for irrigation. We've installed recycle bins all over the place, cigarette ashtrays. There's some more bike
Your butt is what? Your butt is what? Yeah? Alright. There we go.
ground, you've got to keep them in your pocket, so you don't put them on the ground.
Come on, guys. Hey.
That's brilliant.
So what makes you do that?
Just environmentally friendly, I think. Don't leave it lying around, any butts lying around. Do the right thing, everyone's happy.
How about you do your special happy dance? Remember the happy dance you were doing before? Oh, look at that. Oh, we're all happy. Oh, look at that. Particularly happy. Oh, you got Adam. You got three, didn't you? Oh, Rory, hang on. Now, I'm very impressed with that gentleman. He was a real gentleman, and he really was able to demonstrate his ability to not litter the butts and have a good time in the process. I think it needs more cigarette butt paste on that. There we go.
Right, now just sit there and relax and let me deal with all the work.
Oh, I see. See, that's what I thought all day, every day. Don't do it to me, though. They do it to you.
Advertise that for us.
Here we go.
The lineup.
We're just setting up a gallery space for an exhibition for the next week. Yeah.
And what's it doing? What's it exhibiting?
Some of my artworks, some photos and sculpture.
Yeah.
Good stuff. So that was Hallucination. That was fantastic. And these guys are called The Fuse, and they've been around for several years now. And they came to a rock school a year or 2 years ago, and they met there. And since they've stuck together, just like these bands you've seen, they've only been together for a few months. These guys have been together quite a while.
can do. And I can't keep it, and I can't keep it. I can't keep it, give it back my love. How you used to play, you walk past your friends, past all the cold storms, past all the chance. Do I have to tell you, or can you see, if you walk away, you leave me. If you would ever leave me, don't see what I would do. The only thing I know is I'm in love with you. If you would ever leave me, don't see what I would do. The only thing I know is I'm in love with you.
Welcome to the Diamond Hotel in Canberra in the New Acton precinct. We're here with our lights out today to embrace Earth Hour because we want to save our planet. Welcome to the Diamond.
So what's happening?
Earth Hour.
We love you, Earth.
Thank you very much.
All right, thanks everyone for being so supportive, clapping all the solos and stuff. The guys really appreciate it. So you've been listening to the Music for Everyone Rock School. That was the morning after, and we've only heard two covers today, which I think is pretty impressive. So round of applause for the bands and all of their originals. Thanks guys, well done. Have a good night guys.
That's exactly what I wanted. This is great.